Hello all, welcome to my channel. In our last video we are finished with Kingdom Protista, and in this video we are going to discuss about Kingdom Fungi, which we popularly known as fungus. Fungus is derived from a Greek word myk, which means mushroom. So fungi is nothing but study of mushrooms, and the branch of science which deals with the study of fungi is known as mycology. Fungi are the eukaryotic organism having cell wall. So let us discuss more about the classification of a kingdom fungi. Before going to the classification of fungi, if you are not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and stay tuned. Different fungi are classified into different group based on different modes. First is based on mode of nutrition. On the basis of mode of nutrition, fungi are classified into three major groups, that is saprophytic fungi, parasitic fungi and symbiotic fungi. Saprophytic means, I hope you already have the idea what is saprobes or saprophytic mode of nutrition. Saprophytic mode of nutrition means those organisms, here mainly fungi, those fungi are obtained their nutrition from any dead decaying organic substances. So the example is Rhizopus, Penicillium and Aspergillus. These fungi are the saprophytic fungus, depend upon other dead decaying organic matter for their nutrition. Here is the example of Rhizopus. Next is parasitic fungi. Parasitic fungi means those fungi depend upon other living organism for their nutrition. So the example is Taphrina and Puccinia. Here is the example of Puccinia gramineae. Here is the spore of Puccinia is seen in wheat plant especially. So as it is seen in wheat plant, a living plant, it is parasitic. Next is symbiotic fungi. Symbiosis means when two organisms are share a interdependent relationship, associate with each other and share or mutually benefited upon each other. Both share a mutual relationship called symbiosis. Here is the example of lichen. Lichen is the association of algae and fungi, where fungi provide shelter and algae provide food. So first is lichen and next example is mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza is the association of fungus with root nodules, especially in higher plants. So these are the symbiotic fungi. Next is classification on the basis of spore formation and fruiting bodies. These 5 members of fungal group shows different spores for their reproduction. First member is Phycomycetes. Phycomycetes are found in aquatic habitat and on decaying wood in moist and damp places or as obligate parasite on plant. The mycelium is septate and synocytic. Asexual reproduction takes place by zoospore or by aptanospore. If the gametes are similar in morphology, called isogamous, iso means equal, so similar, if dissimilar are called as anisogamy. Example is mucor and rhizopus. Here display is the mucor. Next member is Ascomycetes, which are unicellular, sometimes multicellular also found, commonly known as sac fungi. These are saprophytic, decomposer, parasitic or corpophilous. Corpophilous means those fungi are grow on the surface of cow dung during rainy season. Mycelium is branched and septate. Sexual spores are called ascospore, which are produced endogenously in sac-like arrangement in different types of protein bodies and called ascocarp. Ascospore produce ascocarp, which is the future mycelia of the fungi. Example is Aspergillus, Claviceps and Neurospora. In display, here is the image of Aspergillus. Next is Basidiomycetes, which are commonly known as bracket fungi. They are grow in soil, on logs and tree trunks or as parasite. Mycelium is branched and septate. Vegetative reproduction takes place by means of fragmentation. Sex organs are absent, but plasmogamy is brought about by fusion of two vegetative or somatic cells, which give rise basidium, and the protein body is called basidiocarp. Basidiocarp undergo meiosis and produce 4 basidiospores, which are later form the mycelia. The example is Agaricus, Puccinia, etc. Here is displays the Agaricus. The last member is Deuteromycetes, commonly known as imperfect fungi, because only the sexual or vegetative phase of the fungi are known. The Deuteromycetes reproduce only by asexual spore known as conidia. Here are some conidia. Some are saprophytes or parasite, while a large number of them are decomposer or decompose. It may decompose the litter and help in mineral cycling. We all know litters are rich in mineral. So, as these Deuteromycetian members are decompose the litter, it help in mineral cycling. Examples are Alternaria, Coledotrichum and Trichoderma. Here is the example of Alternaria scholleni. Here we complete with the classification. Next part is reproduction. It's reproduced both vegetatively, sexually and asexually. Vegetative reproduction by means of a budding, which we already discussed in our previous video. If you need to know, please go through that video. Reproduction of bacteria, the budding and fission are also described there. So, budding, here is the image, the extra outgrowth, which are divide from the mother body after maturity and turns into a new mycelium. Similarly, fission and fragmentation, which we already discussed in our last videos. So please, if you need, go through that. Asexual reproduction by means of zoospore, which are motile spore, and also we discuss about conidia. So go through that videos if you need. Sexual reproduction is ascospore, basidiospores and oospores. These are formed on a specific structure, sac-like fungi, which we discussed in our last slide also. So these are the method of reproduction in algae. If you have any query, you need any change, please comment in the comment box. Your comment is inspiring me for for more videos and classes. So if you have any queries, please comment in the comment box, and please like, share and subscribe my channel.